Hi, this workshop is titled, What are your ads saying and why does it matter? Digital marketer estimates that an individual now gets 4,000 to 10,000 messages per day. What this means is that your ads matter more than ever before, and what you say and convey in those ads matters more than ever before. Effective ads don't just talk about low prices, and great ads don't just fall out of the sky. Somebody has to create them. In this workshop, you'll walk away with practical information that'll help you determine if your ads meet the 4 golden rules. Briefly, those golden rules are: number 1, does it have an emotional hook that connects with your target customer? Number 2, does it have a compelling value proposition, otherwise known as unique value proposition? Number 3, is there a strong call to action? And number 4, does it focus on one thing? If you want to learn how to make your video ads stand out, this workshop is for you, so please sign up.